Alright, so I'm here in New York. And I only going to take 30 seconds to show you something. It could be up to a minute, but hopefully not. I don't want to waste your time. But I noticed something, and I want to share it. I'll show it to you. It's between two buildings. They have a relationship of some sort. I just want to show them to you. If I can get to it. Well, where'd that appear from? Alright. Well, you can keep an eye on that, but there's something else I want to show you if we can pick it up. Oh, there it is. Alright, between two buildings. See that line, that laser line, that energy jet? Energy whatever. Energy beam. Okay, now it's gone. And it's going to do it again. Sorry about that. I have no idea if that was weird the way it even did. Look, there it is. It's starting there. It'll do it again. And then it'll disappear. So for hours it's been doing that. See it? These are something. I went down the whole area, and they're the only two buildings. And it comes from this building, and it goes to that building. See? Look. I hope you can see it. See that? Whatever it is, man, that's some powerful stuff. But it's only between those. Alright, we're almost at 2 minutes. I won't keep you any longer. I just thought it was kind of strange and wanted to do that share. So, there's the share. God bless everyone. Take it easy. See you on the flip side.